Propinquity is a noun that refers to the state of being close to someone or something in terms of physical proximity, relationships, or even similarity in interests or characteristics. The word is often used to describe the closeness or nearness of people, ideas, or events, and it can imply both physical closeness and emotional or relational affinity. Origins of propinquity. Propinquity has its origins in the Latin word propinquitas, which means nearness or proximity. It was first adopted into English in the late Middle Ages and has maintained its original sense of closeness, whether physical or figurative, although it's less commonly used today. Propinquity is still valued for its precise and somewhat formal tone. How to use propinquity. Propinquity is commonly used to describe physical proximity, such as neighbors or people who are geographically close. It can also describe the closeness of relationships or connections, such as those between friends or colleagues. Additionally, it may refer to a likeness or affinity between things, as in shared ideas or values. Example sentences: the propinquity of their desks encouraged collaboration, leading to a close friendship. Their propinquity in age and interests helped them bond quickly. Similar words: proximity, the nearness or closeness in physical space or time; affinity, a natural connection or similarity between people or things; closeness, the quality of being close in; distance, relationship, or similarity. In essence, propinquity captures the nuanced closeness or connection between people, places, or ideas. It reflects how proximity, whether physical or emotional, can create bonds, shared experiences, or similarities. Subscribe.